Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sharnice and welcome back to Simply Nikla. And today, if you didn't look at my last video, which was uploaded yesterday, that long nail video, I know, sorry, but it was cool and fun. If you want to check that out, it will be up there in the eye, down below in the description box at the end of the video, so you can check that out. But I said I had something new and exciting that I want to do on my channel. It's not something new, but it's new to me for my channel, and I want to do and try the wreck my journal book, and I'm going to try to do it all these pages with you, and each week do them and see what kind of trouble I get into. What is this journal really going to wreck me into do? So I already looked through this journal and I've seen a lot of other things that I'm like but we'll see how much I get done. Today I'm going to try to do 10 pages, and yeah, let's cross our fingers. But before you continue watching and enjoying the Wreck My Book journal here with me, go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the great notification bell, hit the like button if you're going to like this video. You might want to wait to the end to see if you like it or not. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started with this video. So yeah, here's the wrecking journal I have. It's probably not one of the newest ones, but in all seriousness, it was $4 on Amazon. So yeah, let's go ahead and open up to the first page. All this lovely writing here is about writing your name. I will do that in just a minute. You see some footage of it maybe right now while I'm doing it. And I like how the beginning of the book has like this warning sign here. I might pop it up here so you might really see it. And I never had one of these journals, so it's a new experience and it's going to be fun, I think. So well, here are some materials that I need, like okay, tears, okay, let's see, wax, wow, fears, there's probably gonna be a lot of that, biology, what kind of material is that? So that's that, and I'm gonna go ahead and start with the first one, which it says to add numbers at the end of the page, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So so now let's take this book outside. The first thing is this. I put it right here so you can see yourself, and you're supposed to require a napkin from a restaurant, write a secret on it, and glue it in here. So I'm not going to a restaurant at this moment, but I do have a McDonald's napkin outside in my car, so that is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take you along. So I have a napkin, now let's write a secret. Next one is to make a mark every time you spot a bird. I hear them, so this shouldn't be too hard. Let's see. I hear one. I know. Yeah. I don't see no birds. Like that. There's one right there. Where? There's a bird. I can't. Okay, you guys, so I eventually found 13 birds flying around, so let's go ahead to the next one. The next page I'm going to do, it says right here, poke holes in this page using something you find in your travels. So yeah, let's try to find something in our travels. So I found this rock, so I'm going to try to poke some holes in the page with the rock. Let's try it. There you go, some holes for you. So let's go ahead and finish out the rest of the pages. This next page is, I put it up here, says it's to choose your own wrecking method, and then you put a sign and date it. So let's see what trouble I can get into my own wrecking method. So I decided, and I'm going to squirt some water onto this page. So this next page, you're supposed to tear this page out, I guess, and float this page. So let's go ahead and tear this out carefully, and
let's float this page up.
We are floating this page like it should. Now let's go ahead and dry it and shove it back in the book. After the floating page, you're supposed to make your own wrecking method in this one. So I decided to do a fun one and then do some wrecking with nail polish, the nail polish that I have on today. So it's these two nail polish specifically, if you really want to know, which is Science's Insta Dry Justin Wine. I'll put it down there so you can see it. And also on top, LA Colors Color Craze Dazzleberry, and I have this one first and this on top, so I'm going to put and wreck this page like this. And then now I'm going to smash the page together. I'll put the floating page back in between here, and yeah, that's that wrecking page. This one you're supposed to hide parts of this page in your travels. And this one is to copy at public transit route here. And since those two are more like you have to do it within your travels and while you're out and about, so I'm not going to do those today. So I'm going to stop it here, and that was kind of like the beginning of wrecking this journal. Very exciting. I want to do some more of this. So if you like this video and want some more, go ahead down below and give me a like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to. And thank you so much for watching and making to this end of the video. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I love the wrecking my journal. It's going to be more creative ways of wrecking it, I promise. But today, that's what all happened. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.